What's good, chat? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a bypass on the starter relay if you're getting no crank, no start, and well, if your starter's still good, but I mean, you just got a bad relay. So let's get into it. Alright, so if you got a no crank, no start, it ain't starting, but you're pushing the key all the way in, I'll show you how to bypass it. Now let's get into it. First though, what you really want to do, you want to make sure you have the key already in there. You want to make sure you have the key already in there, and then you want to push it all the way back. You want to push it all the way back. Yeah, just, you know it's in there if it's like that. And come over here. Everything's trying to start. Locate your fuse box. Mine is on the passenger side, right behind the battery. So I just, you know what I'm saying, open this. You got your fuses, you got your relays. Alright, so these big things right here, these are the relays. And then you can read this diagram right here. It tells you which one's where. Me, I'm looking for the starter relay. That's what we're looking for, and that's 301. 301. Me, I'm looking for the starter relay. And to check the diagram, you go right here, you lift this up. 301, I'm looking for 301, that's the starter relay. And it's right here, it shows me it's right here on the diagram. So follow it. That's 302, it's 301, boom. And I already pulled the 301 out. I'll show y'all right now. I'll put the 301 out. We're gonna do 30 to 80, power it on. How we're gonna do that is, I already took it out, obviously. I'll show y'all where it went. We only have a wire. So let's get into it. Like I said, we're gonna be going 30 to 87. And as you all saw right here, 30 to 87 right there. So gonna open this. And like I said, you want to make sure the key's all the way down. Key's already in there. Boom, I'm gonna show you how to do this. Look. Back up off the car, don't get on the car, just use your two fingers, that's all you're gonna need. Put one in there, put one in there, hold on. See, we got it. That's how you know your starter's good. Still, if the thing's going like that, that's how you know your starter's still good. It's not bad. It's not a bad solenoid, not a bad starter, so it's just a bad relay. Look, check it out. You guys. I started this car with just a wire, and this is only for educational purpose only. It's my first time ever doing this. I'm a youngin', so I'm just trying to learn more. But yeah, man, starter relay bypass. I'm gonna go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's right now, go buy a new one. It's like $8. It's not a lot, and it's just like a quick diagnose. You just like to, you just want to break down the problems, break them down in half, and see what it's really coming down to.